Maromo timbe prario kodangweno pieme Tuke mag Okinde e paw tuke mabalariany ma Strathmore e boma ma Nairobi. Kaluwore gi kambi mar chiwo kumba manobago tuke go Directline, tuke go eko ne itiyogo kaka mano mar yawo pacho kinde kod miyo gi yweyo bang' tije matek magisebedo ka gitimo. Directline Assurance osingo mar medo bago tuke makamago e kinde mabiro.
Most of our colleagues are suffering from bouts of anxiety and depression. We do a lot of work. Sometimes you want to really win the case, or sometimes you are really preparing for a case that really needs you to divulge deeper, and sometimes your mental stability is not good. So we've lost some of our colleagues. Some of them are warriors. They're here featuring, and they're going to give us their stories.
We are happy to be here to support the initiative of mental awareness, and as Directline, we are happy to be part of this initiative. And today we have so many advocates around here. One would probably think we are in court, but we are here also to support them with a professional indemnity cover that take care of their professional professionalism when they undertake their initiative at court.